Good morning, everyone. This morning we're going to work on this Dwarf Variegated Gardenia. It's raining at my house, so it's a nice kind of cozy, yummy day. Good day to work on a plant. So this one will bloom flowers. It does bloom a gardenia. It's probably about the size of a quarter, something in that area, but she will bloom flowers. We'll give a spin. We're going to do some weeding, a little trimming, cleaning of this pot, maybe replacing or relocating moss. So yeah, we'll see what we can do here. Let's get to it. I think the only branch I'm going to take off right now is this one right here. There's a little triple coming out of one spot right here, and all three of these, and this one has the biggest girth, the biggest branch going on. Also, it's kind of going straight up, so that's why that one's going to come off. Sorry, I have to rotate my tree so I make a good cut. You might not be able to see as good. Maybe we can make it where you can. Let's try that. So this one right here is coming off. She just needs a baby amount of brushing, but I'm going to go ahead and brush her a little bit, get all that done, just so she's perfect. Yep. Gentle brushing on this one. Voila. We're gonna do some weeding now. Yes, yes. So I'm going to remove this moss that's all up here in the front because it kind of blocks the tree, and it is one that gets a little tall as well. So I'm going to do that and then see where I like it. I'm going to go ahead and pluck out all of her little fertilizers as well and give her some new fertilizer today. Okay. We're going to go with a 14-14-14 fertilizer. Alright, I'm going to spread those out all perfectly. Alright, I want to wipe this pot down and then put some top rock on. That's my goal here. That's white. Okay, so I wanted to put some lichen in here, because who am I without putting lichen in a bonsai? And I thought, you know, it would bring the variegatedness out of these little beauties. Look how pretty they are. So I found me a nice little piece here. I'm thinking right back here in this back area. We'll just kind of snuggle it down in there. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Let's add some top rock. Press, press. Okay, she's all done. So I wanted to put her on a pretty stand, and this one, I have to show you, has a beautiful little piece of tile in it. So let's put her over here for a second, and then I'll show you that. I don't know if you can see, kind of bright, I guess, but it's got irises on there. Oh, so pretty. Anyway, I'm gonna put her on here. And I know she has like a chipped pot on a couple of corners and on, I think, yep, this foot right here. But this one is just so pretty and elegant and simple, yet the way it's made, the color, oh, I could just, the color is fantastic. I just really like it. So I use the pot because it's beautiful. So here's our gardenia, our dwarf variegated gardenia. Let's do a spin. We did just a little bit of trimming, and like say for instance this branch right here, that one will come off in time. It's too small, but I don't really want her to be all bare right now, so that's why I'm leaving it on there, and a few others. So let's do a spin. I like the lichen in there. Oh yeah, that adds a little something something. And then I have a rock in this one, which I like the moss placement. Yeah. Isn't she just pretty? Oh my goodness. That pot. Really like it. Alright. Well, thanks for being with me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you soon.